I'm Ethan John. I'm the events manager at Stadiwm Cardiff. I've always tried to keep the stuff that I put on very grassroots. I don't really have too much of an interest in booking touring artists. Tend to mainly have sort of like rock band type stuff, but there's a whole wide spectrum of that. We do try and encourage more like electronic and mobile artists as well. We've had different jazz nights over the years, and we try to encourage all stuff really. There's no specific genre that we like to host. We've had a lot of freedom to sort of experiment with different type of events we've done here, because it hasn't been like strictly one thing, which also gives a lot of freedom to the type of stuff that other people could program as well. I love live music in Cardiff, and I work in live music in Cardiff because I remember some of my first memories from going out and being able to socialise with friends without parents. I think I was 14 and going to watch the school bands in Gyda's Youth and Community Centre. I remember really enjoying that. And basically since then I've just been chasing that high, I suppose you could say. We receive funding from Cardiff Council for a brand new desk and some lights, which I think for our club nights, which are branching out to a lot more now, will be certainly more impactful, and it'll feel more like a nightclub. Very good, came at a crucial time. Thank you very much.